to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. Today, I'm going to show you how to detangle your natural hair. If you want your hair to be detangled the right way, I would highly recommend to finger detangle your hair. And the way that you do that is by parting your hair into 4 to 8 sections. I usually part my hair in 4 sections. And I've already detangled 3 sections, so this is the first section, and then I have the 2 sections in the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this section down. Now, I have recently blow dried my hair, so I don't have to do a lot of work as far as detangling my hair, but let's say that I just washed my hair, or I've done a hairstyle and then I went to another hairstyle that was like in a coily texture, then I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work. But the easy way to do this is by simply spraying your hair with water first. Okay, so let's spray this section with the light mist of water. And then you simply want to choose your moisturizer. So what I usually do is I will either use my hair growth butter to moisturize my hair after I spray my hair, or I will use my hair growth oil. So I use it for multi-purposes. I use it on my scalp and my hair to moisturize it. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna apply it to my hair. I always start at the ends and work my way to the top. Now, I can say that a wide tooth comb is more convenient. However, if you want less hair to be pulled out, it's best to finger detangle your hair. Now, I would say that it is good to use a wide tooth comb or a regular comb if your hair is already straightened, or if it's already blowed out to where it's stretched out. You don't have to worry about pulling so much of your hair. Because I noticed when I used my wide tooth comb, when my hair was blowed out, I hardly ever saw any hair on the comb. And that was because my hair was already stretched out. It's not curly, it's not tangled up. Okay, but right now it's still, I would say it's still blowed out, but it's not fully blowed out. So I would finger detangle this section. Okay, now I'm going to finger detangle my hair. This is how I usually finger detangle. I usually use my fingers, run my fingers through my hair, and then just slowly divide each section. Okay. Now I don't have to do that much work because my hair was recently blow dried, so it's not gonna require a lot of effort for me to do this. Okay, I'm just going through it. This is also good for healthy hair growth, okay? So whenever you finger detangle your hair, expect your hair to grow, okay? Because you are properly detangling your hair the right way, okay? And as you can see, this is how much hair I have, okay? Now compared to a comb, it would be double or triple this amount of hair, okay? So this is how much hair I pulled out, okay? As you can see, this is what it looks like. like. All right. And so I'm just going to keep going. You never want to detangle dry hair. You always want to apply some kind of moisture to your hair, because if you comb your hair while it's dry, or even if you finger detangle it while it's dry, it's going to be a lot harder for you to detangle your hair, and you're probably going to pull out more hair than necessary. So just make sure that you always spray your hair with water first, then apply a moisturizer. And if you would like to, I would recommend to top it off with flaxseed gel or guar gum gel. Okay, so now I'm going to twist this last section. Alright, so that is how you detangle your natural hair, okay? I actually have an extended video course in this particular video, so if you would like to learn more on how to take care of your natural hair, you can simply go to my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com/hair courses. I also talk about how to properly detangle your hair in my ebook and paperback book called I Want My Hair Back. So please go check that out. You can also have unlimited hair courses when you purchase a one-time payment of the ebook and audiobook or the paperback book of I Want My Hair Back, okay? If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delights. I'm on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, so follow me there, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.